And next, ladies and gentlemen, of course, we turn to the Lewis collection, the highlight of this evening's sale, bringing together seminal works by Francis Bacon, Lucian Freud, and Leon Kossoff, assembled over decades by Joe Lewis and his daughter Vivian, towering champions of the School of London. The first work of this quartet of masterpieces is Leon Kossoff's children's swimming pool, showing on my left-hand side, 11 o'clock Saturday morning, August. Monumental in scale, both intimate and epic, and perhaps the finest painting of this notable series, and indeed one of the finest paintings Kossoff ever painted. And I'd like to start the bidding here on the Kossoff at £400,000 now. At 400,000 for the Kossoff at 400,000, 450,000 in the room at 450,000, 450,000, 500,000, 550,000, 600,000, 650,000, 700,000, 750,000. £800,000. Over here, I'll get to you eventually. 850, 900,000, 900,000, 950,000, £1 million here. At 1 million, 1 million, it's with you, Wendy, at £1 million now. At 1 million, 1,100,000 on the back row, 1 million 1, 1 million 2, it's another new place, at 1,200,000, give me 3, at 1,200,000, at 1,200,000, 1 million 3, thank you, Wendy, at 1,300,000, give me 4, at 1 million 3 is bid, at £1,300,000 now. Here at 1 million 3 for the Kossoff, 1 million 4 is bid. Thank you, Simon. At 1,400,000, it's against you, Wendy, here. At 1,400,000. At 1,400,000 here on this side. At 1 million 4, 1 million 5 is another new place. Give me 6, Wendy. At 1 million 5, and against you here, Simon. At 1,500,000. 1,600,000. It's back with Wendy again. At 1,600,000. Everybody will have a turn. Don't you worry. At 1,600,000. At 1 million 6, here it is. And against you, Sarah. 1,600,000. Is that a bid, Sarah? 1 million 6, here it is. At £1,600,000. At 1 million 6, against you, Simon. 1 million 7, it's at a new place. 1 million 8, at 1 million 8, back in the lady, it's in the room again. 1,800,000, give me 9. At 1,800,000, 1 million 9, thank you so much, Tom. At 1,900,000, at 1,900,000, it's against you all here. 1,900,000, give me 2 million, please. At £1,900,000. Here it is, at 1,900,000. Any more? At 1,900,000. With Tom Edison at 1,900,000, it's against you in the room, sir, and on the telephones here at 1,900,000. And 1,900,000, go on. 2 million, thank you very much. Where's the bid? Alex Branchew, I should have known. 2,200,000, thank you, Tom. At 2,200,000 now. At 2,200,000. Say one more. 2,200,000. 2,400,000 is bid. Thank you so much. At 2,400,000. 2,500,000. Thank you, Tom. At 2,500,000. Give me 6 over here. 2,500,000. Still here at 2,500,000. It's against the pair of you now. 2,500,000, 2,600,000 is bid. Thank you, Alex. At 2,600,000. At 2,600,000 against you, Tom. At £2,600,000. 2,700,000. Again, between the pair of you now at 2,700,000. Say 8, please. At £2,700,000. 2,800,000. Thank you, Alex. At 2,800,000 for the Kossoff for the swimming pool here, August 1969 at 2,800,000. 2,900,000 is bid. Thank you so much. At 2,900,000. £3 million. Thank you. At £3 million. We try 2, Tom. At £3 million. With Alex Branchew here at £3 million here for the Kossoff at £3 million. At 3,200,000. Thank you very much, Tom. At 3,200,000. It's your bid now. At 3,200,000. It's back with Tom again at 3,200,000. Try 4. At 3,200,000. Still with you, Tom Edison at 3,200,000. School of London expert. 3,400,000 is bid again at 3,400,000 with Alex Branchew at 3,400,000. It's with you at 3,400,000. It's against you, Antonio, on this side. It's against you, Lisa, also at 3,400,000. Say another one at 3,400,000. Tom. You may at this point at 3,500,000. Thank you so much at 3,500,000 here. It's with you again, Tom, at 3,500,000. 3,600,000 is bid now at 3,600,000 for the Kossoff. 3,600,000. Let's make a splash, Tom. At 3,600,000. It's not good, I know. At 3,600,000. At 3,600,000. 3,600,000. It's the first thing that came through my head, actually. At 3,700,000. It's back with you. 3,800,000. Thank you very much indeed. At 3,800,000. 3,800,000. At 3,800,000. 3,900,000. Thank you. £4 million. At 4 million now for the Kossoff. £4 million. At 4 million. Against you, Tom, this time at 4 million. 4 million. Give me one more. At £4 million, here. Still with Alex. You're making the splash now, 4 million. Tom, it's taken over 30 years to get this picture on the market. Don't miss this chance. 3-1 or 4-1? 4-1, yes. Don't want to go backwards. At 4,100,000. Thank you, Tom. At 4 million 1. At 4-1. 4-2. Thank you. At 4 million 2. Give me 3. No. Thank you anyway. Is sure at 4,200,000. It's with Alex Branchik at 4 million 2, setting a new world record price, of course, for Leon Kossoff, and very much deserved. And thank you to all of our bidders. And selling at 4,200,000 to you. Congratulations. Thank you.